Hi, Herman. This is Richard. I just wanted to put together a video for you to discuss the possibility of your website showing up on the search engines more prominently. And uh, as I'm taking a look at your website right now, it's showing some good information up here. This you're not going to be able to find on your website. This is a tool that I have installed in my browser, but it does show that you have 154 links, which is a good thing. So once your website has the proper optimization done on the actual site, you have the potential of showing up easier in multiple cities. So let's move on with the rest of your site here. You have a call to action here, which is really good. And everything you have here is properly optimized. If you look at the bottom left-hand side of the screen, it shows JG Landscape Management / Landscape Management. And then if I scroll down here, it changes to Irrigation Management. So you're optimized properly for these certain keyword phrases. What you do need, however, is a stronger social presence. And I noticed when I hovered over your Facebook page here, or the Facebook link on the bottom here, it only takes you directly to the Facebook homepage. And let me show you what I'm referring to. I went ahead and plugged in your website into this reviewer, and it's showing an audit for your actual site on how your website fares for optimization purposes. So it says you're scored a B+, which is not bad. The only thing it's showing that you need to improve on really is your social presence. You have none, pretty much. Your SEO is fine if you are optimizing for those keyword phrases that you have right now, but you don't have any cities listed anywhere on your website. So that's one thing that you could improve on. Let's go down here. SEO is good. Meta description tags, header tags. So everything looks good here. You are going to need some additional content. It's showing the X, which means you should have usually a website that ranks for a certain keyword phrase is going to have anywhere between 500 and 1,000 words for a low competition keyword phrase. And then your links are looking good. You may need to have some backlinks done after your website is optimized, but the first step is to usually optimize the entire website first for the keyword phrases that you want to go after, and then we would need to work on link building if necessary afterwards. But we need to make sure that your Facebook is connected to your actual website. For now, it's not connected if you do have one. If you don't have one, make sure you get one created. Twitter, Instagram, those aren't really necessary. YouTube would be a good thing. If you have videos on your website and you're able to keep a browser on your web page a longer period of time, that's one of the indicators for Google to bump you up. It increases your relevancy on the search engines. And then that's pretty much it. The security, they don't really it's not really that important. But as long as you have those factors taken care of, your website should be fine. And you should be able to rank on the search engines. Thanks. Hi, Herman. This is Richard. Just wanted to put together a video for you so I could go over the things that should be done on your website really quickly. I'm looking up here at the tab on your website. If you look at the little box down below, it'll say JG Landscape Management Inc. And then the straight line, your vision is our mission. That should be changed to incorporate the city that you are targeting, and that's for your main city that you would like to target. And since you're in Lincoln, you should have Lincoln up here somewhere. Okay, but you got to keep this under 60 characters. Your website does have 154 links pointing to it, which is a good thing. This will help you rank faster on the search engines once your web page or your entire website is optimized properly for the different cities and the different keyword phrases that you'd like to go after. I like the fact that you have a button here which basically is a call to action, so that will generate leads pretty quickly that way. Your website looks clean. It looks really easy to navigate, but you do have some thin content here. This is not sufficient. And then as I scroll down here, you have this contact us button. I like that. The only issue I see is when we hit this connect with us button for Facebook. It goes straight to the Facebook homepage. This actually needs to be connected to your actual Facebook page, as I'll show you here shortly. This will really help you with your ranking. It actually increases the amount of traffic going to your website, and it is an indicator for Google to increase your relevancy and then obviously bump you up on the search engines. Let's look at a review website for your website. I plugged in your site to do an audit real quick, and it's showing that your website has a little bit of improvement that needs to be made. It does score B+, which is good. The only issue that really needs to be addressed is your social signals, your social profile. And what I was discussing with you earlier was that your Facebook page needs to be attached to your website. So you'll have a better score for your social signals here. Your SEO score is an A. The only thing is your SEO score is an A for the keyword phrases that you have on your website right now. And currently, I don't believe you have anything up here that indicates that you are a landscaper in the Lincoln, California area. See, there's nothing here that shows that you're in Lincoln, California. The only thing we can see is down here. Okay, so that needs to be updated. And then I'll show you here. So your links, external backlinks, are referring to people that are linking to your website. All backlinks means that your website has 165 total links that are coming into your website as well as within your website. Okay. And then let's see. Let's go down to your social results. You appear to have a weak social presence or level of social activity, or we may just not be able to see your profiles. Social activity is important for customer communication, brand awareness, and as a marketing channel to bring visitors to your website. We recommend that you list all of your profiles on your page for visibility and begin to build a following on those networks. So it does help to have Facebook page connected. Another thing I would strongly ask you to do is to get a YouTube channel created, because when you upload a video onto your website, it keeps that visitor there for a longer period of time, which increases the what is it called? The relevance of your website for that certain keyword phrase. So you actually have a higher likelihood of being positioned higher on the search results. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Let me go over. Let me do a search real quick for. Here, I'm going to go to Google, and I'll do a search for. Let's see. Well, Lincoln, California landscape. And as you can see, you're not showing up in the local listings. And in order to show up here, you have to have a number of citations. So we can't really tell how many citations each of these companies have. But once you start getting more citations to your business everywhere on the internet, you'll start showing up here. So that's one service I can offer, as well as your website being optimized to show up here as well. And if you notice, the first results that usually pop up just below the local listings is usually Yelp. They have a very strong domain authority, which always bumps them up higher on the search results. And Home Advisor, Angie's List, Yellow Pages. The first one that you see here that has, look at this one here. This one has 0 links pointing to the site or to this page, yet they're showing up on page 1 of the search results because they have the keyword phrase Lincoln in their description tag. Okay. So these are the things that I can help you with your website, and I can help you show up on multiple cities. And so let me know if that has helped you, and if I can be of service to you. My number is 530-315-6298, and my name's Richard. Thanks, Irvin. We'll speak soon. Thanks.